Hello, in this video we will learn how we can make Yahoo Mail. So to make Yahoo Mail, first we have to open Chrome browser or any other browser you have. I have Chrome, so let's click on that. I will type yahoo.com here. Here is the Yahoo official site. These are all the stories about business, about lifestyle, about celebrity, about any other top news. So let's open. You have to click this icon to make Yahoo account. My internet speed is good, but I don't know why it is still stuck on that. I will click again. So here it is. I will convert it into desktop site. Now I will click on this icon. You have to click on that create an account. So I would prefer if you can use your original name or business name or any authentic name here. For example, my first name is Ali and the last name is Farooq. These are all the suggestions. If I want to take something from that, I can click on that. For example, I think this is more suitable. ali.farouk71@yahoo.com. I will choose the password. As you can see, I choose the simple password. Let's use some icon as well. As I am located in Pakistan, I will use Pakistani number. Here it is. So basically password is not stronger. I will use these icons again to make it strong. I will type here my phone number. My date of birth is May 13, 1996. If you want to reveal your gender, you can type here, otherwise this is optional. So male. Now we have to click on continue. So basically on that number we will get a code. I will click on that. Yes, send me code. The video is getting recorded, so I will wait for the code. Simply in this way you can make your Yahoo Mail. I didn't receive the code yet because my other phone is turned off, switch off, and the SIM is on the other phone. So I will type the code here later. If you are making your Yahoo account, you can type the code here and verify your account will be login. This is the simple way you can make Yahoo account. See you in the next video. Goodbye.